Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. You will be seeing two varieties of flower painting in this video. Those who are interested in joining freehand painting classes can contact me. I teach oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, orchid flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and many more. This is plum blossom flower with 5 petals, and for more flowers you can club the petals. This design is very easy to paint freehand on saree borders, dresses and tops. When you are painting on any cloth, mix medium number 1 in the color so that the color stays permanently. I take order works and teach online professional courses, and those interested can contact me. My details are in this video and below this video in description. There are many videos of freehand painting different variety of flowers on fabric, and there are live videos of exclusive designs and new techniques in painting. For exclusive variety of artworks, do see my other videos. I hope you like this simple, beautiful plum blossom design. Now I'll show you how to paint a simple freehand peony flower. First I'm drawing the sketch of peony flower, then with 6 or 8 number round brush you can paint freehand strokes. This design you can paint for saree borders and make bunches also on borders or dresses and tops. For flower I have taken acrylic purple color. If you are painting freehand on any cloth, then mix medium number 1 and then take the strokes so that the color stays and doesn't fade away. For leaves and branches, I have taken light green and little bit brown here and there. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on freehand painting and new techniques in painting and exclusive artwork. See you. Bye bye.